Reality check, man, from your device. You know, it's a unique one, aromatic, realistic TV. Anyway, today, my viewers and subscribers, they have this sense of karma is a two-way street, you know. And it is a bitch. They say what goes up must come down. And if you spit in the sky, it definitely gonna fall in your eye. And when you dig a hole, dig two, because you might end up dropping at that hole there. Right, that's the thing there. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, Dalrymple Filbert last bid to dismiss IC charges. But on that alone, we're there upon today, you know. We're there upon the Richard Azan thing. Because we are telling us, you know, Jackass said the world no level. Because Richard Azan go down in his pocket and him build 6 stall or 7 stall. Give some sufferer, some poor people in the Clarendon market. And Anju HOLNESS said it's a dark day. We don't feel comfortable sitting down in Parliament with a minister of government who expressed no regret for his hack. He goes on and he stated it is a dark day in the history of Jamaica. But I want you to listen to this now, my viewers and subscribers. Marissa Dalrymple steal 1.6 million from taxpayers. He get a discount on the car of $2 million. And Anju HOLNESS take Marissa Dalrymple and put him back in the Parliament. Now remember, you know, Richard Azan going in one pocket. And because he can't wait for the parish council, because them a play politics and build up couple stall and get some vendor, Anju HOLNESS say it is a dark day in Jamaica. But Marissa Dalrymple, who thief 1.6 million from taxpayers, plus she get a concession, a $2 million discount on the car. So a thief can in a Parliament, but you can't sit in the Parliament with a man who go in his pocket and build some stall. The poor people. The Prime Minister cannot give account for $3 trillion. But he still want to lead the Parliament. And you know, stop this up. You have 7 thieves who we can't hear their name yet for illicit enrichment. I am going to play a couple clips. And I am going to start with a clip with Portia Simpson Miller and all the journalists they attacked Portia Simpson through her tenure as Prime Minister. And Portia Simpson never thief nothing from Jamaica. And you have a Prime Minister what thief morning, noon and night from taxpayers. And I have never seen a reporter in an Anju HOLNESS face. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, without any further ado, let us play the clip with Portia Simpson and then we will continue with the clip with Anju HOLNESS. Take it away.
Rationale behind the reinstatement of Richard Azan. You're asking me about the project. If I answer you on Richard, that's what you're going to carry this evening. I want the project to be carried. No, I'm going to carry both of them. But no. What's the rationale behind the reinstatement? The project. The DPP ruled that he did nothing that was criminal. But the opposition has been saying. Not going to happen. I am not concerned about what the opposition said. They have their own problems right now to fix. But they're saying it's not in line with the government. Don't push the microphone. Don't do it. Young man, I've traveled the world. No, she's talking to me now. She's talking to me. I have traveled the world. I've traveled the world. And let me tell you, from I've been minister till I'm Prime Minister, and the media internationally, not one have ever been rude to me. And they have always treated me with respect. No further.
You see that, my viewers and subscribers? Remember, so Portia Simpson never thief no money from Jamaica. You know? Portia Simpson name never call up in a non thiefing. You know? And look how the reporters approach her through her tenure. But Anju HOLNESS, what thief billions from the Jamaican people. I have never seen a reporter hold Anju HOLNESS accountable or just hold him and ask him the question that need to be asked. I have never seen that. And she replied to him when he asked him, what about the reinstatement of Richard Azan? She said, the DPP look into the matter and find nothing criminal in it. So Richard Azan was set free. Because as I stated before, you know, remember that Mr. Azan go down in his pocket, you know, brother, and build some stall, you know, and give poor people, you know. And Anju HOLNESS said at the darkest day in a Jamaican history, you know, to give poor people something, you know, brother. Anyway, I am going to play the clip with Marissa Dalrymple, and after we will dissect it. Take it away.
The Integrity Commission's case brought against Jamaica Labour Party Member of Parliament Marissa Dalrymple Philibert will proceed to trial. That was the ruling of Parish Court Judge Leighton Morris on Friday. Mrs. Dalrymple Philibert's attorneys, King's Counsel Peter Champagny and Nico Pagan, had raised preliminary points regarding the charges against the legislator and the possible abuse of process by the Integrity Commission. The trial date is set for March 31 next year. Mrs. Dalrymple Philibert is accused of lying in her income filings to the Integrity Commission.
So his attorney is making the case that the Integrity Commission use abuse of power. The Integrity Commission thief nothing. Are the Integrity Commission thief or a Marissa Dalrymple thief? You understand what I'm saying, my viewers and subscribers? These people are a bunch of shit house. Them. You understand? Are trying to do everything to justify for these people to look good. It not happen around here, brother. Don't look good no around here. Don't look good no in this. It can't happen. And it will never happen. So the judge threw out Marissa Dalrymple bid and said you have to go face the court because you deal with criminality. Galang go face the court, man. You thief taxpayers' money, man. Galang go face the court. No can use through the Prime Minister take you and go elect you again to come run. That don't make you escape. You gotta go face your trial because you commit a crime. You steal taxpayers' money. You feel me? So anything one want come with and anything one want say, you bid short. Galang go face the court. Yeah, he's a criminal woman. And a criminal, that's what you are. Anyway, we will listen to the clip with Anju HOLNESS now.
We don't feel comfortable sitting in Parliament with a Minister of Government was openly accepted responsibility, who expresses no regret for the act, where a Commissioner of Parliament has confirmed that the act is corrupt and has referred it for prosecution, and that Minister shows no sign of wanting to resign, or the Prime Minister showing no signs of moving to dismiss the minister.
With all the sympathy that one can have
thief, you know.
Support,
This
is embarrassing. Not only to the government as a party, not only the PNP, but to the government, to Jamaica, to all of us. Our heads bow this morning with this sort of reaction.
So we have to take firm actions in this regard. It is a dark day for Jamaica, where the Prime Minister is unwilling or afraid to act against a minister in which the public has lost total confidence and in which the institutions of the society are all agree that this person does not enjoy their trust or faith and has breached the confidence. We don't feel
Jamaica, you see, karma is a bitch. And karma is a two-way street. What goes around comes around. This man was so hungry for power that he do every and anything to get elected. This man is a narcissist, self-centered guy this. Richard Azan go in a pocket and build either 6 or 7 stall. Don't get it twisted. And Anju Holness said it is a dark day. The only reason why it was a dark day is because Richard Azan built those stalls for poor people. And because he built those stalls for poor people, it is a dark day. And we don't feel comfortable sitting down in Parliament with a minister of government who expressed no regret for his action. The land thief, Colonel Charles, with all the sympathy that one could have for support, this is embarrassing. This is embarrassing. Our face bow this morning. So Anju Holness stated that Richard Azan was referred for prosecution, and Azan showed no sign of wanting to resign. Or the Prime Minister at the time, Portia Simpson, showed no sign of dismissing the minister. So we have to take firm action in this regard. It is a dark day for Jamaica, where the Prime Minister is unwilling or afraid to act against a minister in which the public lost total confidence, which the institution of our society, that this person does not longer enjoy their trust. A man just built 7 shops or 6 shops for poor people. And it is a dark day in our society where the public has lost total confidence, which the institution of our society have no confidence in this person. So my question, Jamaica, where is the institution of our society that Anju Holness was talking about? Because remember, as I stated, that Mr. Azan used his own money and built 6 or 7 stalls, the poor people. And Anju Holness and the administration at the time said it was a dark day in the history of Jamaica, which the public has lost total confidence in Mr. Azan, and which the institution of our society, that this person does not longer have their trust. Where is the institution of our society? Marissa Dalrymple steal 1.6 million from taxpayers. She get a concession on a car, which she saved back 2 million. And on top of that, she's getting a monthly upkeep. And she said she did not remember that she had the car. She said her car was for her sister. Now, when you get a concession from the government, it is to do the government work. So you can't take a concession from taxpayers and buy a car and give your sister. Double trouble. We have 7 more members in Parliament who is under investigation for illicit enrichment. Although we still don't know their name. The Prime Minister, under his administration, taxpayers lose 3 trillion and he is still in the Parliament. So I am asking myself, where is the institution of our society that this person does not enjoy their trust anymore? Think about it, my viewers and subscribers. Think about it. When you see what is taking place, where everywhere we people them go sell, police depend them, tapping at them throat, take with them things, box them down, kick them down. And Mr. Azan go in and pocket and build couple shop and give some poor people. That's then I have to run up and down when police come. And Anju HOLNESS and the administration then say it was one of the darkest day in the history of Jamaica. Anju HOLNESS not have dark day, no. Anju HOLNESS have twilight zone in the history of Jamaica. Twilight zone Anju HOLNESS have in the history of Jamaica. The man started 3 companies in the pandemic and move around 460 million US dollars. Not one of those companies have one single employee. It did not stop there. He went and he took out an account. And few days later, 143,000 US was transferred into that account from SSL. We see we are now under his administration. Taxpayers lose $3 trillion. In a Anju HOLNESS office alone, them can't get account for $12 billion. And I don't see the institutions of our society is coming out and asked Anju HOLNESS to step aside. The institutions of our society who lost confidence in Richard Azan for using his own money and build some shop, the poor people. I don't know where those institutions are now. Because we see blatant criminality is taking place. And they are nowhere to be found. Marissa Dalrymple, the court just dash him out and say, go and go face your trial. You do the crime. You must go spend your time. You is a criminal. And that's what you are. The Prime Minister is no better. They have 7 more who is under investigation right now for illicit enrichment. The question we are asking, where is the institution of our society that lost trust in Mr. Azan? Where are those institutions that lost trust in Mr. Azan to spend his own money to build some shop for the poor people? It was a dark day. It was a dark day then. So what we are going through here now, twilight zone. We are going through twilight zone. And the institutions of our societies are nowhere to be found. Them say karma is a 2-way street. And when you dig one hole, make sure so you dig 2. Because what goes up, it must come down. Anything will go around, it must come back round. You're spitting at the sky. Absolutely, it is going to fall in your eye. You do everything in your power that you could, Anju HOLNESS, to grab power. And now you grab power. You can't manage power. You're abusing. You're stealing away taxpayers' resources and don't want to be held accountable. But we are out here to expose you, call you out, so the world can see you for the narcissist and the self-centered person that you are. We ask them the question, Jamaica. Where is all the institution of our society that has lost trust in Richard Azan for spending his own money? Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, stay tuned to Aromatic Realistic TV. Like and share and follow the movement over YouTube, man. You don't know, we shoot bullseye. We don't deal with conspiracy, we don't deal with gossip. We don't deal with propaganda over here, sir. We don't deal with tabloid. We speak truth to life. Some incompetent fool and some baboon may not like it, but that's not my responsibility. You can always go chuck off a cliff or go buy a piece of rope and do your next best. Anyway, my people, I continue to remind you guys that the signature word, it's never changed, it remains. Heart of love. We tell them say a Jah and good road. Until then, we don't know how much a clock. We know on the matic will wall a reason again. Peace and love. Until then, out.